Oh, why are you not working, man?
We'll have a look at it for you. Yeah, nice one.
You alright?
Yo, what's up?
I've got a slight problem with my car.
Yeah?
Basically, the headlight's gone out. So I've got the headlight. Can you sort it out for me?
Yeah, don't worry, bro. I got you.
Appreciate you, man.
Boom. Get his first little cap off. Pretty simple. All it is, a little twist, and it's out. As easy as that. Make sure to note how it came off. Old one out, new one in. Screw it straight. Cap back on. It's good to me. Easy as that.
I appreciate it, mate.